welcome back to my channel. So I thought it'd be fitting for November 1st, the beginning of the holiday seasons, to wear my holiday shirt that says Merry Christmas, Lovies. This is part of my merch. If you guys are interested, it's linked down below. And to bring you a Christmas Dollar Tree haul. I thought it would be so fitting to start the month because I'm going to be decorating for Christmas early so that you guys can get your inspiration to decorate your home and home decor and mobile home decor. So I thought it would be fantastic to do a haul today. So if you're just joining me for the first time today, hello, my name is Missy. We do mobile home living, home decor, decorating, cleaning, all of homemaking kind of stuff, cooking, hauls. So if that interests you, please subscribe and become a lovey. We would love to have you. So without further ado, let's jump into the haul. So I have three things to show you that are not Dollar Tree, but they are Christmas related, and I have picked them up. So I picked this up the other day where I was at Hobby Lobby. It's one of their My Little Christmas things. Everything was 50% off, and my house, as you can probably see behind me, my living room, my kitchen, they're all done in teal. And my colors for Christmas this year is like a teal and red and like buffalo check. So I saw this cute little teal bottle brush tree and I picked it up for my 3-tier tray, or over by my 3-tier tray for staging and such. So I just thought this was adorable when I saw the teal. I was like, yes, please, I want that. So I got this little teal tree. I picked this plate up from, this one came from the Dollar General. It's still $1, but look how stinking cute it is with the truck, and it says Merry Christmas. I have a feeling I'll be probably using this in my kitchen, but I thought this was really cute, and it's like ceramic. I thought this was just a really cute Christmas plate. I also got this from the Dollar General. I thought this was so sweet, and I think this was $1 too. Yes, it's $1, and these are definitely my colors. Let's see if I can't get my camera to focus here. See the red and the teal? I just love those colors together. It says Merry Christmas, and it has like a little gnome on it, and I'm doing like a little gnome thing over there by my 3-tier tray, so I'm super excited. But I absolutely love these colors together, these teal reds. I just think they are so stinking beautiful. So that is my colors this year, is this teal and red. So I love it. And now I'm going to be mixing in some like buffalo check and some traditional colors too. But ooh, my camera is having some trouble here. Hello, camera. And then this other thing that I want to show you that came from Walmart. And you may have seen me hold this up when I did my Walmart Christmas shop with me, but I don't think I told you guys that I bought it. So it's farm fresh Christmas trees with the buffalo check and the Christmas truck. It is so stinking cute. And the guys, I think this was only $5. Oh, $6.98. $6.98 from Walmart. That is a steal. I think this is so stinking cute. And I want to bring in some of the buffalo check. Oh, my camera. I want to bring in some of the buffalo check for my living room. So I was really thrilled to find this pillow, especially for $6.98. Like pillows like this, sometimes they range from like $12 to $15. So I was super excited to find this. Okay, so I may have lied. I bought a whole bunch of new coloring books because the winter season is upon us. And I did get this particular coloring book from the Dollar Tree, of course, for $1. We'll get that in a minute. I did get this coloring book for $1 from the Dollar Tree, and it's super, super cute. It just has like really cutesy Christmas. Here's one that I'm working on. Just cutesy little Christmas things. This is how I passed my time in the long southwestern Pennsylvania winters. So I kind of went coloring book crazy because, you know, I don't like to color in the same coloring books over and over and over and over again. I'm just trying to find another one. I think I did in here. I don't like to color in the same coloring books like over and over and over and over and over again. So, you know, I picked up a whole bunch. I don't know what I did with it. But anyways, this one did come from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and then this is the other one that I got from the Dollar Tree. And it's butterflies. Here's one that I colored. I already colored in some of these. Like sometimes I just can't wait. Just very naturey, very pretty kind of things. And it is The Joy of Coloring, Relax, Create, Inspire adult coloring book. And I think this one was called Butterflies. So I got this one from the Dollar Tree. And what I was really happy is that these are regularly, I wonder if my camera will focus, but these are regularly $3.95. And I got it from the Dollar Tree for $1. So I thought that was a good deal. And then the reason why I said I lied is because I forgot I was going to share these with you. And these all came from the Dollar General. So they were a little more than $1. I love kids coloring books, even though I buy mostly adult. But like Lisa Frank is like one of my absolute favorites. And this Lisa Frank for $2 even came with stickers in the front. Here's one of the pictures that I colored. So, I thought that was a pretty good deal because there's a lot in here. And not only is it a coloring book too, but it also has like an activity book. So there's some activities and stuff in here. And sometimes I'll sit down with my daughter and color. So I got the Lisa Frank for $2. I got the horses for $3. This one's one of my favorites. I colored quite a bit in here. Here's one. And they're really beautiful horses. And I loved this one too because they're blank on the back side, so you can use markers and such without worrying about ghosting and bleed through. So, just really pretty horses. Then that one was $3. This one was $3. This is butterflies. Really, really pretty. I don't know if I colored anything in here yet or not. I think I did. Yeah, here's one. Just super, super pretty. All butterflies, florals. And again, it's the same thing. It's blank on the other side so that you can use markers and such without worry of bleed through. And this was $3. This one was $3. This one's Adorable Animals. And then this one was $3, and it was Tropics. I loved this tropical one, which just has a whole bunch of different like tropical animals and such in there. I think I colored one. Yeah, I did. Here's one. So that was the seahorse. Like here's the turtle. And I love these because, again, there's nothing on the other side, so you don't have to worry about bleed through. So I just thought I'd share these with you guys. Just, you know, if you're into like the adult coloring, or if you need something to do to abide your time in these long, cold winter months, coloring is where it's at. I forgot to show you one more. And then this one I also got from the Dollar General, and this one is called Rainbow High. I don't know anything about this. Like, again, I just chose this because I liked the girls in here, and I like coloring sometimes bigger things. As you can tell, like that's a bigger picture. Sometimes I like to color the really intricate things. That's usually what adult coloring books are all about. They're very intricate, small little things. And then sometimes I want to color, but I don't want to do like all the intricate work. So I'll buy kids coloring books and color bigger pictures, if that makes any sense whatsoever. But I liked being able to like color the girls all different ways. So that's why I picked this one up, and it was only $1. So I think I got through all of my brand new coloring books. So let's see what's in our first bag from Dollar Tree. So I bought one of the little plushies, the little, what is he, an elf? Yeah, because I really thought he'd be really cute to like sit in my 3-tiered shelf, my 3-tiered tray, or a shelf, because he kind of sits. And I think for $1 he's pretty well done with his little stockings and such. I think he's pretty well done. So I thought he was worth $1. I don't usually buy the plushies from Dollar Tree, but I thought he was pretty good. And then I bought a nutcracker that I don't have. I've never seen this one with the big, long, the G word. I'm not going to say it because I don't want to get flagged. But I think you guys know what I mean. So I picked him up because I thought he was pretty interesting, and I don't think I have this one. I think I have almost all of these little guys that come from the Dollar Tree for their collection, but I don't remember having him. So I picked him up. Again, a sit around, 3-tier tray, that kind of thing. I thought this was adorable. So this says Happy Holidays. It is highly like glittered, but one of the things that I really like that I see DTE doing a lot of is like they're doing this dusting of snow. So I thought he was super, super cute. And again, this would be really, really cute for a sit around or for your 3-tier tray. So I'm always thinking of my 3-tier tray. So, but I thought he was super, super cute. And I like the elf. And I thought he'd be cute too with the little plushie. And then I picked this up. This isn't Christmas, but it did come from the Dollar Tree because we are embarking. It's November 1st. I want to do a gratitude journal. So I picked this up. I thought this was really, really cute. So this piece, if you look, it has a nice design. I know the glare is terrible, but it's actually on this piece. So I thought that was really, really cute for the Dollar Tree. And when you open it up, it's just a regular little, you know, lined notebook, but I thought that was really cute, very fall-y. It's from one of my favorite brands, Jot, and I thought this would be a perfect little size to do a gratitude journal for the month of November, and I might be sharing what I do in here on my Patreon. So if you're interested, please check that out. It's linked down below. And then these are one of my favorite things from the Dollar Tree is their homemade handcrafted cards. So I picked these up because these are so cute. These, oh, my camera. Focus. These are fantastic for card giving, of course, but also for holiday crafting. I do so many things with cards. I have a ton of videos how I make Christmas card, like flip books and Happy Mail and all kinds of stuff. I can link some of those videos down below, but I have a ton of this, and I love their homemade hand cards. They are so stinking cute. So this one says Meowie Christmas, and it has the cutest little kitty. She's wrapped in lights, and it comes with the envelope, and it says a perfect New Year. Super, super cute. It has a little snowflake detail on the back. And then the other one that I really, really liked was this one. It says Happy Holiday Wishes, and it has all the little animals on it. So stinking cute. Sorry about the glare. So cute. And may your holiday season be merry and bright. Again, so cute. Loved this. So I picked those two up. So another one of my favorite things from the Dollar Tree is their bags. And I use them too for other things other than just gift bags. So for instance, this first one, I'm definitely going to be DIYing for the holiday months. I just think this is absolutely adorable. It says merry and bright with the gold detail. And look at that face and the tree. So stinking cute. I know I got a horrible glare going on. But this one, of course, if you were going to use this as a gift bag, it's freaking adorable. But for DIYs, oh, this is definitely you're definitely going to see me using this in my home. So I loved that one for this. This one is kind of like a set. And I wanted to show you that it comes in different sizes. So again, this one is great for DIYing. It says Joy to the World. And it has the truck that everybody loves, but a different kind of version of it. It's a green and black plaid. I love it. And the joy is teal. The joy is teal. The joy is glittered. Jeez. I can talk. With the little reindeer driving the truck and the snowflakes. Super, super cute. And they always do nice details. So you got like the faux wood. Very nice. And then they have larger in the same set. And this one has a golden retriever driving. And it says Peace on Earth, Happy Trees. And this one says Peace on Earth. So very cute. Super cute. So you can get them in different sizes. There was a collection of these. If I had to guess, there'd be one more. You know, Dollar Tree usually does things in 3, but these are the only 2 I found. So I thought these were super, super cute. So one thing that I'm very happy about, Dollar Tree and Dollar General both are doing lots of teal colors with red. I am super psyched. I'm like, yes, they got my colors. So when I saw this, I was like, yes. So it says Home for the Holidays, and it has the cute, oh, the glare, cute little camper with the pops of red, and all of the pops of red are glittered. Oh, it is so stinking cute with the lighter teal and the dark teal. Love it! I'm so stoked that they're doing these colors. This is so stinking cute, and it has the little string of lights around it. The details are just everything. I just love this. I think this is so stinking adorable. I just love it, love it, love it. Okay, and my last bag here. Look at this. I thought this was so stinking cute for a 3-tier tray or sit around, and it lights up. And it is a gold, well, it's not gold. It's dusted though. And it has like, they're intricate. You might have to see this up close. But it has like these little stars sitting all around it. It's just so super cute. And it's just this really cute church that lights up. And again, cute sit around, perfect for a 3-tier tray. So I'm really stoked over that. And the glitter fallout, it's not too bad. It's not too bad on it. Then I saw this. It says, Merry Christmas from our home, our gnome, to yours. And I love that. So it has more of the gray and red, which I think will be fine with the teals. So I really like that. I think that turned out really, really cute. And then I think the last thing, oh, I have 2 more. And I picked up some of these smaller little bottle tree, you know, brush bottle trees. They're white. Again, cute for sit-arounds, 3-tier trays, adorable. And I picked up this gnome garland. So stinking cute. And this they had red, green, and white, I believe, was the 3 colors you had to choose from. I really like the white because I felt like it popped the little gnomes. I hope it picks that up. There we go. The little gnome guys. I feel like the white really popped him forward. But they did have a green and a red version too. So I thought this was super, super cute. So that is my start of the holiday season Christmas haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are getting really excited for the holiday seasons. I know I am, and I will be decorating very soon. I got my little arsenal. I've hauled some few things before. I got it all ready. I got to the shed and get my other stuff. So there will probably be a fall undecorate and clean with me, and then we're going to jump right into the cleaning and Christmas decorating. So I hope you guys are so excited because I know I am, and I will probably have like a few videos. So we'll do like one video might be my kitchen, the next might be my 3-tier tray, the next might be my living room. So we'll do it like in stages, so we'll just make like a whole little thing out of it. I'm so excited. So thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below what you're excited about. Is it more Thanksgiving, turkey, decorating, Christmas tree? What are you super excited for about the upcoming holiday season? For me, it is definitely decorating and family time. I love decorating and then having everybody over, and the whole house just feels so warm and cozy because everything's all cheery and bright, and we're just spending time together. That's my favorite thing about the holidays. I'd love to hear what yours is. Alright guys, I love you, and remember, as I always say, whether God has blessed you with a mobile home or a mansion, be grateful for whatever He has blessed you with, and I know He will bless you with more. So you take care of you, I'll take care of me, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys!